Hi, welcome to Blazing Glory Ministries. I thought you would find this interesting about the heart. This is taken from the Heart Book by Reinhard Hertler, and it's out of the first chapter. It's called The Truth About the Heart. So modern science and technology has revealed a lot of things which before were partial truths, but now have come more into fullness of revelation about our bodies, about our mind, about our heart, and how things connect. And I'm going to read to you a page out of the Heart Book that I think you will find quite interesting and revelatory. This is taken from an article called The Heart's Electromagnetic Field is Your Superpower. And it's from the famous Heart Math Institute. And it says this: the heart is responsible for pumping blood to the entire circulatory system so the organs, tissues, and cells receive nutrients and oxygen, and then the waste, such as the carbon dioxide, is eliminated. Research is proving that the heart may be as intricate as the brain. Wow, isn't that beautiful? Usually I just think of the heart as being a mush of muscle and mass, but it's as intricate as the brain, which they refer to as the little brain. The heart brain actually sends more communication to the head brain than the other way around. So that might be something new for you today, is that the heart has a brain and then the head has a brain. And the heart brain is actually more active than the head brain. The heart beats before the brain forms. When the brain is dead, the heart continues to beat as long as it has oxygen. In fact, the heart has 80,000 neurons and the ability to process, learn, and remember. That's something I found new and interesting. It has the ability to process, to learn, and to remember. Your heart has memory. It also has its own emotions. Thanks to the field of neurocardiology, we are learning more about the intuitive nature of the heart and how we can apply this information to the relationships we have with ourselves and with others. According to the research director, Dr. Rollin McCraty, coherence is the state when the heart, mind, and emotions are in energetic alignment and cooperation. It is the state that builds resilience when the parasympathetic and the sympathetic systems are out of sync from emotions such as anger, anxiety, or frustration. This produces an erratic rhythm or an incoherent, that's important, incoherent state within our body. The brain receives this input, which affects whether higher cognitive actions can be accessed to self-regulate. So I think this is a wonderful bit of information to understand that our heart has its own brain, that our heart functions before the head brain functions. And so once again, we are to guard our heart, for out of it flows the wellspring of life. And we see here that if we want to have a coherent heart, a heart that walks in coherence with our emotions, with our soul, with our body, with our mind, it has to work together. And heart coherence is very important. And we're going to be talking about that a lot in the upcoming episodes about the heart. So I hope you enjoyed that tidbit of information today. Why is it important to have heart coherence? That everything's flowing and operating smoothly? Because if not, our head brain cannot function cognitively at the level that it needs to. And there's also a disturbance within our body because it's not flowing in harmony. And so the heart is very important, and we need to examine our heart each day and bring it to the cross of Jesus Christ and allow him to bring healing and repent and confess when we've made mistakes and walk forward in freedom for each new day that comes. So today I hope that you'll take some time to examine your heart. For the Beatitude in Matthew, one of them speaks about, blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Have a great day.